Hello everyone. So in the last lecture, I told you up to this point that whenever our reporting speech, our reporting verb is in present or past, is in present or future, is in present or future. We do not make any changes in the verb of reported speech, but when we have got our reporting speech in past, we change the verb of reported speech also that goes into its past, right? Now we were discussing what we were discussing the reporting verb actually. So in the same way, when reported speech is an interrogative sentence, like we see over here now, when reported speech is an assertive sentence, these changes are to be done in reporting verb. These are the changes. But whenever the reported speech is an interrogative sentence, say or say to, both are changes, both are changed into ask. Says or says to is changed into asks, and said or said to, they are changed into asked, right? Okay. And whenever reported speech is an imperative sentence, we make these changes. Said or said to, they are converted into either ordered, or in requested, or advised, or proposed to, or suggested to, or forbade, etc. It means it depends upon the sentence presented. Like whenever that is ordered, we'll be changing said or said to into ordered. If there is request, we'll be changing into requested. If there is advice, we'll be changing it into advised. Whenever there is some proposal or suggestion, we will change it into proposed to or suggested to. Or whenever there is something denial, so we change it into forbade means you are denying someone to do something, right? And whenever reported speech is an exclamatory sentence, we change reporting verb into exclaimed with surprise, exclaimed with sorrow, or exclaimed with joy. And whenever reported speech is an optative sentence, we change reporting verb into cursed, blessed, applauded, congratulated, wished, bade. And bade also is there. You can take bade also, and some more are also there. I'll show you the examples of those. Now we come to the next chain. As in the sentence, you can see how many changes we noticed. Said to into told. List of changes, this is not. So what was the first change that we noticed? That the first change is in reporting verb, then the second change is in comma and inverted comma, and then the third change is in see, look here. First change, said or said to, reporting verb, then comma, inverted comma, then the subject of reported speech, and then the verb of reported speech. So now this time we are going to study the changes regarding comma, inverted comma. So changes of comma, inverted comma, this thing also relates to reported speech, type of reported speech, like this you can see. Reported speech is assertive, comma, inverted comma is changed into that. When reported speech is a single interrogative sentence, we change comma, inverted comma into if or whether. And what is the difference between if and whether, that I'll let you know at the time of explaining or showing you the examples, right? When reported speech is a double interrogative sentence, we use the same WH word as the conjunction mean in place of comma, inverted comma, begin, we use the same WH word which has been given in the beginning of your reported speech, because your reported speech is double interrogative, so definitely you will find there a WH word. So the same will be used as the conjunction in place of comma, inverted comma. Now if you come to imperative sentences, we use to or that in place of comma, inverted comma. In some special cases we use that, otherwise core point is to, that is the main thing. Then when that is exclamatory, reported speech is a exclamatory, so at that time also comma, inverted comma changes into that. And whenever reported speech is optative sentence, comma, inverted comma, begin changes into that, right? Now we come to changes regarding the subject of reported speech. You can see here the third change is regarding the subject of. subject of reported speech. Like here, we was changed into they. In this sentence, you can see we was changed into they. So why? What is the procedure actually? Okay. So see, uh, here we were changes regarding the subject of reported speech. Actually, the subject of reported speech also changes according to the reporting speech. Everything in the reporting speech, as already I have told you, every change in reporting speech happens according to reported speech, right? And everything in reported speech changes according to reporting speech. So what happens if the subject of reported speech is a noun, it remains the same. But if it is a pronoun, then see what happens. If you find if you find I or we as the subject of reported speech, you will change it according to these you will change it according to the subject of reporting speech. Because see, uh, whenever a speaker is saying something, he says himself I or we. So I or we, whenever reported speech has got I or we, it means speaker is presenting himself, speaker is talking about himself. That's why I or we are changed according to the subject of reported speech, subject of reporting speech, sorry. And in the same way, if you find you as the subject of reported speech, that will change according to the object of reporting speech. But if you find he, she, it, or they as the subject of reported speech, they are never changed. Now we come to changes regarding the verb of reported speech. That also happens according to reporting speech. See how, if reporting speech is in present or future, verb of reported speech remains the same. You have already seen this thing here. Says means verb first, singular form of verb first, a present indefinite, that is. So our reporting verb is in present over here. That's why we have not made any change in the verb of reported speech, right? So the same thing I have told you over here. If reporting speech is in present or future, verb of reported speech remains the same. But if reporting speech is in past, verb of reported speech changes into its parallel past. Like verb first changes into verb second is changed into had plus verb third, will or shall is changed into would or should, is rm, they are changed into was were, and was were, they are changed into had been, and has have are changed into had. Okay, that's all this time. In the third lecture, I'll take you furthermore.